What's up? This red pod was inside the fridge for like overnight, and show you how brittle it is. Me dropping it from like waist height. Let's see. No bounce, it cracked. And this one was in the freezer for about 20 minutes or half an hour. And I'm gonna be dropping from like waist height, and it also cracked. So here's my project, and I'm gonna be shooting it on uncapped auto. First is gonna be the fridge paint. So hold on. Alright. So we're gonna be shooting at a tree. About right there. Alright, here he goes. Alright. I think I got a chop, I don't know. And I'm gonna do my freezer paint right now. Alright, and I got a chop. Alright, thank you.